In professional food preparation, a variety of precision cuts are used to ensure consistency, enhance presentation, and support even cooking. Julienne involves cutting vegetables into thin matchsticks, approximately 2 or 3 millimeters with a matching 2 or 3 millimeters by 40 to 50 millimeters. Often used for garnishes or stir fries. Brunoise is a fine dice of about 2 or 3 millimeter cubes, commonly used in sauces or as a garnish. Chiffonnade refers to finely slicing leafy greens or herbs into thin ribbons of about 4 to 10 millimeters, ideal for garnishing soups or salads. Jardiniere is a thicker baton cut, typically around 4 millimeters by 4 millimeters by 20 millimeters, used in vegetable accompaniments or soups. Paysanne is a rustic flat, square or round cut, about 12 millimeters by 12 millimeters by 3 millimeters, suitable for soups and casseroles. Mirepoix is a rough cut of vegetables, typically around 20 millimeters, used as an aromatic base in stocks and braises. Macédoine is a uniform medium dice of about 8 millimeters, often used in salads or cold vegetable dishes. These cuts are most commonly achieved using a chef's knife, though tools such as mandolins, paring knives, or turning knives may also be used to ensure precision and safety in line with the unit. Use food preparation equipment.